Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over taking pictures of the moon with a Sigma 150 to 600. I see a lot of questions about how to take the pictures, what settings you should use. And honestly, I see a lot of people taking pictures of the moon at like 1/8,000th of a second or f22 or 16,000 ISO. I don't know where these people are coming up with these camera settings. This is a Nikon F100 from 1999. You can take pictures of the moon with this with a Sigma lens. Put your 400 speed film in there. Got it right here, 400 TX. And then all you gotta do is point at the moon and take a picture. Now you could do this on aperture priority because the moon is basically like taking a picture of a really bright light bulb. You don't have to put too much effort into it. Put it on aperture mode, put it up to the moon, focus on it, take your picture. That's all you gotta do if you want to do it the easy way. And f6.3 is plenty on this. You don't have to go too crazy on it. I mean, the camera's really just going to see it as a depth of field of like a flat object, even though it's a sphere, if you believe in spheres. If you do want to take pictures with this with a digital camera, you can do the aperture priority as I mentioned, or you could do about ISO 100, 200, give or take, probably 6.3 on the aperture, and just adjust your shutter speed for however you want, and just shoot it handheld. You don't need a tripod for it or anything like that. Okay, so here we are, about ready to go find the moon, take pictures of, with the Nikon Z7 II, with the Sigma 150 to 600 adapted on here. Now, if you're having trouble finding the moon, especially during the evening or mornings because of blue skies or clouds, you can get the app on your phone called SkyMap. Looks like this, so if you click it, open it up, it says SkyMap. I believe it's on iPhone, if not, iPhone has something similar. So then you have like a little movable map of the solar system or galaxy. Tap once, top of the screen, you'll have a magnifying glass. You can just type in the moon, and just hit the enter, search for it. You'll get a little dot that comes up, and then you can just follow the pointer, and it shows you right where the moon's at. So the moon is right in front of me, and you can vaguely see it. Honestly, it kind of looks like the Star Destroyer. Not sure if that's a base or not up there, but we'll just put the camera up there and we'll see what we get with the settings. So the moon's very faint, but it's there. Take a couple pictures. So right now I am at f6.3, wide open at 600 millimeters, 1/1250th of a second, ISO 100. Handheld with the lens VR on. Now this camera does have IBIS, so that will help you out, but we're at over 1/1000th of a second, so really not going to help you that much. And even at night, you can probably get the exact same settings, but maybe like an ISO 200 or 400, somewhere around there. You don't need to go crazy with it. Honestly, this is the easiest thing you're ever going to take a photo of. And if you wanted to, you can put it on a tripod. You don't need a super sturdy tripod. And honestly, I get better pictures just hand holding the camera and taking the picture. Like, you don't need to put too much thought into it. Though you do need to use center weight metering, and then whatever your focus dot is on is what you're going to meter with. As I mentioned earlier, at night the moon is super bright out, so it's like taking a picture of a street light because it doesn't take much to it. The only negative about taking pictures of the moon during the day though is you have so much light around the moon, your camera might have problems with focusing on the moon and not breathing back and forth 100 times. So that's why I would suggest doing the manual focus or manual override focus on occasion to really help your camera out and give it the bump that it needs. If you have a camera to do it, you can also just shoot in crop mode or DX mode so that it makes the lens into a 900 millimeter lens. And then got a little bit closer than it, but you could also just get the same cropped in look on a full frame camera by just cropping it in post in Lightroom. If you have any questions about shooting pictures of the moon with a Sigma 150 to 600, don't be afraid to post down below, give me a comment, and subscribe if this helped you out, give me that thumbs up, and happy shooting pictures of the moon. See ya.